So, first of all, maglalagay tayo ng dalawang integer. Ayun yung gagamitin natin sa mga operation. Yeah. Tama? Yan. Then, lagay natin yung add. Add. Add nila. A plus B. Okay. Since kailangan natin i-add, subtract, multiply, tsaka divide, gagawin ano? Ayun yung gagawin natin sa if. Subtract. Subtract. Yan. Subtract. Multiply. Then, divide. Ayan. Then, console. Lagay natin yung command. Yan. Dito. Lagay natin choose your choose operation. Choose operation. Then, ayan. Addition, subtraction, fraction, multiplication, and division. Division. Yan. Addition, subtraction, multiplication, division. Then, string. Gagamitin natin yung string gathered name para malagay natin yung matype natin yung gusto natin i-type. Gathered name. Console. Ayan. Console.readline. Then, if. Ayan. Gathered name. Gay natin. Since yung una, add, addition. Addition. Ito, addition. Nasa una. Addition. Ano ba? Yan. Tapos, oops. Yan. $25. Ito yung yung i-deliver na message. 25 plus this addition plus gawin tayong plus 9 plus 5 is equals 2 plus yung gamit natin sa add kasi add close. Ayan, try natin to. Try lang natin i-run. Addition. O yun, 25 plus 5 equals 30. Diretso lang natin. Subtraction naman kasi yung pangalawa. subtraction, then close parenthesis, synthesis lang. Tapos yung tawag dito, statement. 25, since subtraction minus sign, 25 minus 5 is equals, then plus subtract, subtract. Close. Yeah. That's next. Multiplication naman, multiplication. Yan. Multiplication. Then, same process lang ulit. Yung print. Sa C# print yung console at right line. Para, yes. 25 times 5 is equals plus multiplied. Kasi multiply yun. Times. Ayan. Then, next, last. Divide lang dito. The other name is equals division. Yan. Curly bracket. Tapos print. 25. Itong 25 times 5 papakita dito sa screen kung ano yung times plus subtract natin. Kaya nalagyan ko ng 25 plus 5 minus 5 times 5. Divide. Ito. Equals plus. Yan, divide. Ngayon, try natin. Division. Kung ano yung nandito guys, follow nyo. Nasa choices. Division. Ayun, 25 divided by 5 is equals to 5. Then, try ulit natin sa iba. Times. Multiplication. Ayun, 25 times 5, 125. Tapos, addition. O, tama. And last, iba yung hindi ko pa natin subtraction. Enter. Ayun, 25 minus 5 is 20. Tama. Yun lang. Ito yung code.